Welcome to Cabo San Lucas, Mexico and Los Cabos International Airport. Purpose of this video is to lay out the 10 items that will get you flagged by Mexican immigration and customs officials, which may result in 1, the item being confiscated, or 2, you having to pay a fine, or a possibility of 3, prison time. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Mexico. I came across this article in a Mexican newspaper outlining what you can, but mostly what you cannot bring into Mexico. The margaritas are calling, your swim trunks are packed, and you're dreaming of the perfect turquoise water. But before you dip your toes into the sand, there's one final step to complete: the customs checkpoint at the Mexican International Airport. Most travelers breeze through with a smile and a stamp, but every day, some vacations hit a major snag right at the finish line. A simple, honest mistake can lead to long delays, hefty fines, and having your belongings confiscated. Don't let that happen to you. Now, this Mexican newspaper article has provided the most up-to-date official regulations and scoured traveler forums to bring you the definitive, no-nonsense list of the 10 most common items that will get you flagged by Mexican custom officials this year. Number 1, vapes and e-cigarettes. This is the number 1 issue causing problems for tourists in 2025. While you might see them for sale illegally in some tourist spots, a presidential decree makes it strictly illegal to import vapes, e-cigs, and any related liquids or devices. Now, often people think, I'll just bring my own, but the consequence is officials are actively looking for them in both carry-on and checked luggage. They will be confiscated on the spot, and you can face fines exceeding $1,000. Don't risk it. The second item is the Z-PAK. You brought leftover antibiotics from a previous sickness just in case. Big mistake. All prescription medication must be in its original pharmacy labeled bottle with your name clearly on it. Now, the mistake is tossing pills into a daily organizer or a Ziploc bag. The consequence, an unlabeled baggie of pills, is a major red flag. At best, it gets thrown away. At worst, it leads to long interviews in a back room. Number 3, common North American cold medicine. That trusty box of Sudafed D or Claritin D in your bag could be a problem. Over-the-counter medications that contain pseudoephedrine are banned in Mexico. The mistake: packing your go-to allergy or sinus medicine without checking the active ingredients. Now, the consequence is confiscation and a lecture. Stick to basic cold meds without D or pseudoephedrine. Number 4, more than 10 packs of smokes. Mexico's duty-free limit for tobacco is specific and strictly enforced. You are allowed 10 packs of cigarettes, meaning 200 cigarettes in total per adult. The mistake: grabbing a full 10-pack carton at the duty-free shop, which sometimes contains 250 cigarettes, or bringing more than your personal limit. The consequence: you'll be forced to pay a hefty tax on every additional cigarette or forfeit them. Number 5, fresh fruit or a homemade sandwich. That healthy apple or turkey sandwich you packed for the flight and forgot about is considered prohibited agricultural material. The mistake: forgetting to toss leftover fresh fruit, vegetables, meat, or dairy before landing. Now, the consequence is it will be found and confiscated by agricultural inspectors to prevent foreign pests and diseases from entering the country. Eat it on the plane or leave it there. Number 6, a forgotten bullet. This one isn't fun, it's serious. Bringing any firearm or ammunition into Mexico without an incredibly hard to get permit from the Mexican military is a federal felony. The mistake: using a bag you previously took hunting or to a shooting range and forgetting a single stray bullet or even a spent casing in a pocket. The consequence, this is not a fine. This is immediate arrest and potential prison time. Check your bags 3 times before you pack. Number 7, more than 10,000 American dollars in undeclared cash. Bringing a big chunk of cash for this trip is perfectly legal. Failing to declare it is not. Now the mistake is carrying over 10,000 American or its equivalent in any currency and not filling out the proper declaration form because you think it will cause problems. Now the consequence, the problem is not declaring it. Failure to do so can lead to fines of 20 to 40% of the undeclared amount, or in severe cases, seizure of all the money. Number 8, your drone. Flying a drone over Cancun beaches sounds amazing, but it's a bureaucratic headache. Drones over 250 grams must be registered, and there are strict no-fly zones. Now the mistake is bringing your new drone without doing any research, and the consequence, custom agents may flag you for questioning and have been known to require you to pay a steep import tax up to 19% of the drone's value on the spot. Number 9, extra electronics. The rule is 1 laptop or tablet per person. While not always enforced, agents have the right to question you. The mistake is bringing your work laptop, your personal laptop, and a tablet. Now the consequence, similar to drones, you may be asked to pay a hefty import tax on the extra devices. Number 10, gifts that look like merchandise. Bringing a few souvenirs for friends is fine. Bringing 20 identical t-shirts or 15 bottles of the same perfume is not. The mistake, your luggage looks like you're setting up a shop, not going on vacation. And the consequence, you'll be treated as a commercial importer and taxed heavily on the value of the goods. Keep gifts varied and reasonable in quantity. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you can ensure your only worry at the airport is how quickly you can get to the beach. Pack smart, declare what you need to, and start your vacation the right way. I'm going to say if you have any questions, pop them in the comment section, and I'm going to say ciao for now.